Greetings everyone, I'm Alexa Mendoza and I'm going to explain to you the Module 3, Limitations of Regular Languages. So Module 3, Lesson 1, Pumping Lemma for Regular Languages. So we're going to tackle the introduction to the limitation of regular languages, pumping lemma for regular languages, and applying the pumping lemma. So regular languages are a type of language that can be easily described using regular expressions and recognized by finite automata. So, based on our previous lesson natin, ang regular language can be described by patterns or rules ng simple machine with finite amount of memory. So, we're gonna tackle its limitation. The limitation of regular languages, a finite memory. We have the limited memory, which means they can't keep the track of large amount of information or count very high number. So, this because they can only be a finite state number of states. Only be a finite number of states. So here's the example. Example 1, B asterisk A, B asterisk. So strings with 0 or 1A and any number of B. So example niya is, pwede siya magkaroon ng 0A or 1A, then pwede na kahit ilang B. Katulad nito, B, BB. So ito yung strings with 0A. Then, ito naman sa AB, BAB, BBAB. So, ito yung example ng strings with 1A and any number of B. So, dito, makikita nyo, isa lang yung A, then kahit ilan na yung B na example or na alphabet. So, sa example number 2, string starting and ending with the same symbol. So, dito naman, kung saan ka mag-umpisa, doon ka rin magtatapos. For example, AA, BB, ABA, BAB. So, dito, sa A ka nagsimula, so dapat sa A ka rin magtatapos. So, dito naman, sa B ka nagsimula, so dapat sa B ka pa rin magtatapos. Then, strings with no consecutives A. So, dito naman, strings where no two A's are next to each other. So, dito, wala kang makikita na parehas na A na magkatabi. Katulad niyan, B, BA, AB, BAB, BA, BAB. So, dito, wala kang makikita sa examples na magkatabing dalawang A. So, sa nested structure, regular language can't handle nested structures like balanced parentheses. So, ito yung example ng mga hindi kayang i-handle ng regular languages, katulad ng balanced parentheses. So, hindi niya matatrack kung ilang opening and close parentheses yung nandito. Like, tatlo ba yan? Tatlo ba yung opening? Tatlo ba yung close? So, hindi niya yun matatrack. Then dito sa example number 2, equal number of A's and B is strings with an equal number of A's and B. So dito naman, can count and compare the number of A's and B. So hindi niya kayang bilangin na, ay, dalawa yung A, so dapat dalawa rin yung B. Kasi nga, kailangan ma-memorize niya kung ilan lumabas yung A at dapat ganun din lalabas si B. So, requires more memory than they have yon. Like, kunyari, meron kang 10 na A. So, dapat ma-count mo na yung B, 10 din. So, hindi niya na yung kaya kasi nagre-require siya ng malaking memory. So, sa pumping lemma naman, its ability to generate many input strings by repeatedly inserting a symbol into an input string. So, that's the definition. The lemma is an intermediate theorem used in a proof. Pumping lemma for regular languages. Pumping lemma for regular languages describe a crucial property of these languages. It's a long string regular language. You can find a part of the string that can be pumped or repeated any number of times, and the resulting string will still be in the language. Anong use ng pumping lemma is particularly useful for proving that a specific language is not regular. So, sa pumping lemma, pwede mo dito malaman if regular or non-regular yung isang language. So, how? So, pumping lemma is a tool used to show that some languages are not regular. Yung sa pumping lemma, hahatiin mo siya sa tatlo, which is the X, Y, and Z. X is the beginning, Y is the middle, dito ka pwede mag-repeat or mag-pop, and the Z is the ending part. So, this is the example. Pumping length. So, may length tayo na tatlo. So, these are example. Tatlong A and tatlong B. That is the pattern. A3 and B3. That is the pattern. So, kailangan may length siya na 6. So, i-divide natin siya. According to pumping lemma, di ba, kailangan siyang i-divide sa tatlo, the x, y, and z. So, yung x is equal to a, the y is equal to b, then yung z is a, b, b, b. So, kapag pinump na natin siya, which is, ito yung y, dito tayo magpa-pump. Kunyari, a, then pump, isa pang a, then diretso tayo ng a, b, b, b. So, magiging apat na yung a. Magiging a, b, b, b. So, mag-a-add ng 1 yung a. So, yung bago niyang strings ay a, and b, b, b. So, hindi na siya equal number. So, hindi na, yung length niya is mali na. Hindi na siya 6. Kasi nga, 7 na siya kasi nag-pump tayo dito ng a. So, they are not in a language. So, hindi na siya nasa language. Kasi nga, yung pattern niya na is mali. So, dapat, pag pinump natin siya, 6 pa rin siya. Pero dahil nga nag-pump tayo, naging 7 na siya. Kasi nga, naging 3 na yung, naging 4 na yung A, then yung B, isa na natili sa 3. So, ayun. So, hindi na siya language. So, thank you for watching.